So, Vince, you can introduce yourself.
Okay, this is Vince. Come from Shenzhen, China. I'm very glad to come to here, and I'm the training lecturer for the iPhone motherboard repair training.
This is your 6th day in Indonesia, right?
Yeah, 6 days.
What do you think about it?
Before I come, speaking, I'm a little, how to say, I don't know, this country is so weird, so honestly, a little nervous. But when I come, I think it's okay, good country, good people. For example, the first day, so many people comes to pick us up. And also, everywhere, in the market, in the repair shops, in the street, people are very friendly. They will say hello, they
greeting you in
greeting to us. So it's very nice country, over my expectations.
So is there any local culinary food you like?
We have tried different food. I don't know the name, but I think it's special. But I prefer some spicy food.
Spicy.
So one night to have some street food.
Oh, that night we eating duck. It's really spicy. It's use sambal ijo. It's a green chili. It's really spicy than a red one.
Also some seafood. There's crabs, the shrimps, and the seafood here good quality and a reasonable price.
Thank you so much. So Finn, can tell us a bit about what you do in Rewa Technology?
Okay. So as I mentioned, I'm the training lecturer for the iPhone motherboard repair training. So that's my job for training. And if without training, we will prepare some courses, like some cases, new courses, MacBook, or maybe future some new models or some like Android. And for REWA, I think maybe REWA, our official website. You can find our mission is to power the repair business. So we can do sourcing for our customers. No matter you require materials, equipment, or tools, or repair service, or some like trainings, we can provide this service. Yeah.
That's cool. So I want to ask about the iColor. After a couple of days here, doing a coaching with a knowledge sharing with iColor technician, what do you think to process so far?
iColor is very professional. First, professional. The repair technicians, they can do the repair very fast and efficient. Also, the service is good. The environment also very good. Every day, we go to training. They prepare everything so good for us. The breakfast, the lunch, the food, the drink, and also some support. Also, the equipment, the machines they use is a professional.
Have you visited to any of iColor store?
We visit iColor branch, 2 branches. 2 shops.
The Tamrin resident in the center of Jakarta?
I guess so, because when driver there takes around maybe more than 1 hour.
One branch. It must be there. Tamrin, bos. Jauh banget kan dari sini.
So no, the exact location.
It's the center of Jakarta.
It's
center, so it's so far away from here. And what do you think about it? About the services, about the equipment, about
impression? The first impression is very good. Like from the outside to inside. Decoration is good from outside to inside. And when we into the shop, you can see many customers. They come here to repair.
So many.
So it means iColor with very good fame, good reputation. That's why so many people come to repair the phones. And also we see the technicians that are very careful, professional to repair the phones.
So it's qualified.
Totally qualified.
Okay, thank you, Finn. So the next question is question from iTechlife. This question is so many asked by iTechlife subscribers. Subscribers. Mohon maaf ya Inggris saya. Bukan follower. So I have a simple question. Why every generation of iPhone have a small RAM? RAM, RAM. How can I spell it? RAM. So in Indonesia, Android devices is dominating. Apple user is minority in here, and the people are always comparing about Android RAM with the iPhone RAM. It's a very long gap. Why iPhone having a small RAM but it's still good while we have gaming on that or have a high productivity performance?
On my personal view.
Yeah.
Okay. In my view, I think it's because the system, the
Yes.
iOS, is optimized.
I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, please.
The system where iOS system will manage the apps, so you can, for example, you play the games, it will shut down maybe some other apps, so it runs faster. Just focus on the apps you are running.
So it's all about construction of operating system.
I think it's on iOS.
So the answer is the iOS.
Yeah, I think it's iOS, the system. This is the answer.
Jadi itu jawabannya adalah iOS ya, karena konstruksi iOS yang cara tersendiri untuk ngehandle RAM kecil itu seperti apa gitu. So, Finn, do you have any favorite in any series of an iPhone?
Honestly, I prefer the iPhone SE.
SE, the 5 series.
Yeah.
Same with me. Yeah.
And my first iPhone is iPhone 7. Then I buy another iPhone SE because when I'm younger, I cannot afford the SE.
You still have it until now, the SE?
Yeah, SE.
Yeah, that is very special one. Why? Because it's having a flat design, not rounded?
It's my favorite design. I prefer, I think it's a simple design.
Simple.
I prefer the simple. Simple is the best. And the iPhone 7 also simple.
And simple is Apple. So 5 series is my favorite too. I have told many times to my subscriber, the iPhone 5 series is like 5, 5S, SE. It's very special for me.
The new models, they have more new features. Face ID, better camera, better screen. But I prefer SE because also I think SE is the most beautiful.
Jadi inilah teman-teman, kalau misalnya orang udah bilang iPhone apa favorit lu, tapi dia udah punya penilaian sendiri kalau ya itu cantik aja gitu, itu asik aja gitu. And then for the next generation of iPhone, many leaks too says about the next generation of iPhone SE2. What do you think?
That should be great news for me, and I think maybe like many people, there should be many people like me, they prefer the flat. So it should be a great news.
Because the dimension of the iPhone 5 series or the iPhone SE is really compact with Asian hand. Right?
Yes.
It's very comfortable, right?
Yeah, I think it's the size. It's just
the size.
Yeah.
So about the triple camera.
Triple camera?
What do you think?
This is for sure. Triple camera can take better pictures.
Yeah, so, with the wide lens. Extra wide lens.
Yeah, extra wide lens. Yeah. I don't care so much about cameras, but I think it will be very welcomed for many Apple fans.
And Apple always have a surprise with every product.
Yeah. By the way, Huawei, the Chinese brand, also very good cameras.
Yeah, I know. In here too, Huawei is famous, like P20.
P30, P20.
P20, specifically in low light condition. Huawei is a very beast.
Yeah, Huawei win.
Huawei win.
Condition, yeah.
Huawei for the win. Maybe this is the time if Apple wanted to beat Huawei in this next generation iPhone 11. Yeah, we'll see that.
Okay.
There's a lot of tips to preserve your iPhone battery life. It's like a myth in Indonesia. I also made a video in my YouTube channel about this thing, battery issue. But I like to hear from you how it's the right way, better way to take care of your iPhone battery. Should we unplug it once it reaches 100%? Is it okay to leave it plugged all night long? And it is okay to heavy duty while it being charged?
Yeah, I think the battery, the maintenance is the most important. For example, you should use original USB cable or charger. If it's fake or copy one, maybe the voltage, the current not so stable. Also, the power banks. Use qualified power banks.
So the key is original wall charger and original cable from Apple.
Yeah, and the qualified power banks.
Qualified power banks.
Also, for as you mentioned, for charging, if it's 100% charged, it's advised you unplug the USB cable in case the voltage damage or some other troubles.
So, Finn, this is my last question. Is there any schedule to go to other place after here in Indonesia? Maybe Thailand, Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe Europe?
Yeah, sure. Our training is open to the world. Yeah, anywhere. For example, September we're back to Shenzhen, and for future, many chances to go to different countries like Europe, Asia, Malaysia.
Europe?
Yeah.
Where is
and it depends. If we have some third-party cooperators to invite us, we will go there.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, everywhere we want to go everywhere to share the tech knowledge, to help the repair technicians repair more phones, make more money. And also, this is also good to the environment. The e-waste will be less. Yeah. So anywhere, and we hope to come back to Indonesia again.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. So the Rewa is going to exploring the world and teaching.
Yeah, so we will welcome if some third party, some repair shops can invite us or can cooperate with us for more trainings.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, so it's
Incredible.
an advertisement for us.
Yeah. That's really cool. And because sharing is a good thing, right?
Yeah, sharing is good. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Finn.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oke, segitu dulu aja.
iTechlife. Yeah.
iTechlife. Please subscribe. Thank you guys. Mungkin segitu aja dulu video kali ini. Tadi juga udah bahas soal Rewa, soal mereka di sini ngetrain iColor dan udah berlangsung hampir seminggu. Dan tadi udah ngomongin next gen iPhone sampai iPhone favoritnya sampai saya perkenalkan iLipet juga tadi. So, kita ketemu lagi di video berikutnya. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Saya Indra dan Finn.
Yeah, Rewa.
Finn Rewa. Until next time. Bye.
Okay, bye.